Well, hey guys, it's Hourglass Eyes. Having a rough morning. Just lost my job again. So I'm out here doing a review for you guys to do something good today. So today we are reviewing by viewer request a cheaper balisong from Amazon. So this is the Marcolo, I think it is. Marcolo, it's like a 51. It's like a 51 with like a Flytanium trainer blade. And I don't know. I don't know. I didn't have high hopes for this thing, but honestly, it's pretty good especially for the price. This was about $25. So it came in a box. Like this was the box, and yoink, it came with this pocket clip and a spring latch, which I just plopped on the floor here. I grabbed that. This spring latch. And there was like an extra screw. And I'm sure the spring just fell out here somewhere too, but that's beside the point. So it came with that, and then also under there was a carrying case and some more hardware. So honestly, not that bad. It came with extra hardware. It's got sort of a nice box. Forget all of the latch and the pocket clip. In my personal opinion, if you're gonna buy this, take that shit off immediately. Without it, it is surprisingly balanced. With the latch and pocket clip, it's way over handle heavy on one side. So it runs on ball bearings. I'm struggling to do aerials with it, but it's a little bit short, so there you go. Yeah, flips fucking pretty good. Oh, sorry, not fucking. Fire trucking, something with an F. Don't get YouTube angry; they'll take my video down. Yeah, the G10, it's fairly grippy. It's quite square. One thing is it is heavier than a real 51, and the G10, it's like the handles are thicker than a real 51, which I like. I flipped many real 51s. My first really good balisong back in the day was a 51. And to be perfectly honest, if I had to pick a flipper, I would probably take this over the real 51 just because it flips better. It came with no tap, pretty much no play. I mean, it does run on bearings, but I mean, yeah, despite some tricks being a little tricky because of its size, it's really quite good. I'm quite surprised with it. Look at the color. I got the anodized version, and now it's not titanium, so I don't know. I'm guessing, because they look like stainless liners, and that would make sense with the heft. It's definitely a 4-ounce knife. But yeah, I don't know how they anodized it. Maybe, yeah, I don't know, but you know what? It looks good. It doesn't look bad. So it looks good there. It does good in the flipping department. It came with the pivot screws Loctited, but not the Zen screws or the main body screws, which I guess is a good thing since I wanted to take the latch off. Sound-wise, it's not the best, but for a $25 Bally, I think it sounds okay. Flipping wise, as you can see, I really have no problem flipping this thing at all. Doing the tricks I normally do. So you're basically good there. This thing is definitely going to be a capable flipper for you beginners. Oops. Oh, and we still got no tap. Let's see if I can do my... Hold on. Let's see if I can do my thing. Whoa. This one might be a little awkward to do my little trick with, but... Whoop. Yeah, okay, you can still do it. It's shorter, so I'm not used to it coming up the way it does. Yeah. Okay, so, case in point, I have to work on some of my more technical tricks. But as you can see, I can still do a lot of them. Does aerials fine. Does Chaplin's fine. Does rollovers fine. Let's see. What else does it do? It does ladders exceptionally well because the ends of it have like these nice grooves in it. Yeah, see. I don't know. You know, for 20 bucks, this thing is pretty good. So, yeah, go buy one. Yeet.